The half-kneeling Smith machine behind the back shoulder press targets the anterior deltoids in the front of the shoulders as well as the rear deltoids in the back of the shoulders. Compared to pressing the weight in front of your body, doing it behind the neck better targets the rear deltoids but may increase the risk of shoulder injury for some people. Performing it in a half-kneeling position instead of sitting on a bench increases core engagement, but the main drawback is it limits the amount of weight you can lift. Here's how to do it correctly. Set the Smith machine bar at a reasonable height for a half-kneeling position, add an appropriate amount of weight, and place a mat or pad on the floor for knee cushioning. Assume a half-kneeling position with one knee on the mat and the other foot flat on the floor in front of you, forming a 90-degree angle with your front leg. Grip the bar behind your back with an overhand grip, hands positioned slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your core engaged and maintain an upright torso to keep your back straight and avoid arching it during the press. Unlock the bar and press it upward, extending your arms fully while keeping your core engaged and your torso upright. Lower the bar back down behind your head to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Breathe out as you press the bar up and breathe in as you lower it back down. Repeat for reps. After completing the desired number of reps, switch legs so the opposite knee is on the mat and repeat the movement. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.